Hi there, Namaste. Welcome to Guruttam.com/GuruVidya. Today our focus is going to be as a taker and how a taker can answer to image-based MCQs, and also how he can download a question paper, upload a PDF that we assume that he has written in a notebook at home, especially the protocol that was followed during pandemic, to make sure that the students have the habit of writing in a paper, and then they capture those paper information, and then they submit the PDF, upload that PDF using the same app. Okay, and this PDF goes for a maker review. So one is there are two objectives here. One objective was just to showcase the MCQ image based question. The other objective mainly was on the semi-automated question type submissions, download and upload things. Okay, one disadvantage is that the review is not done for every questions. That automation of reviews is not possible. It is up to the maker to have a separate review on the PDF uploads of the taker. Of course, he can give a mark. That is possible because we have set a STA as 50. Okay, the mark. So let's go ahead and check what is possible today. So as soon as you log into the window of this app, you can see the to-do sections. We have assumed that we have progressed, say for example, 40% in our preparation. So the 40% progress is there, indicated in the progress bar as red color. So then we go on to test. So once you go into the test, you have to give the group code, which you already know. The group code can be anything, but ensure that it's a case sensitive input. And then you click on the verify. This group code you get from your maker. Okay, you ask your maker to give the group code so that you are part of that group. And you check the group. And now you have got this question paper with you. So this question paper there are other question paper also, which we have already taken. One was elapsed, one is the mock test with multiple question type, MCQ, fill in the blanks, match the following, short answer type, and story type things. We have already seen that in the previous videos. Now this video's focus is on two objectives. One is on the image based question, other is going to be on the attachment. Now if you see here, once I pull this question, you see here identify similar sine wave from the given choice of images. So you know where to click on this. You can click on anywhere in the row of the question, and the question has got also an image, a sine wave image, and we are asked to select a similar type of images from this. So there are three image choices that we have been provided. So out of these three choices, we have to select the right image choice. So I am going to select, we are very clear that this is the nearest one about amongst the three choices. So I have selected that, and that is done. Now 1 out of 1 question is also fulfilled. I have done that. Progress is also done, and I can collapse my MCQ section. Now with this story type or essay type, long answer type question, what we are seeing now is seeing the attachment, write answers in your notebook, capture the answer page, make a PDF and upload to us. The uploaded PDF will be reviewed. So I click on this also, I expanded one. Now if you see here, there is a green color question paper button which you can click. Once you click that, it goes for an download, or in case of some browsers, it opens automatically in the browser. In case of mobile app, it will get downloaded. You have to open and check that. Now coming back to this, you have this upload yellow box which allows the user to upload the answer sheet. Okay, now I can just type. We have to type something here. Thank you for the question. For the question paper, you assume that the taker is replying back to the maker. Thank you for the question paper. I was able to download and write, and in my notepad in my home, I have captured it and made a PDF and attaching my PDF containing the answers for the question paper that is given here. Okay, thank you. So I, as a student or as a taker, I am trying to these are all drag and drop things, so you can either click or download. Now let's go and assume that we are going to attach what you call the PDF, sample PDF. This is what is the sample PDF. Don't bother about the content of the PDF. So that's up to the real maker. Now the thing is how to upload an answer sheet. So assume that this PDF has been made after capturing from your phone or mobile, and then you collage those answer sheets into multiple pages with some app or with some document PDF creator and so on. Okay, ensure that the size is limited to maximum 1 MB or 2 MB or something. We have some restrictions there. So the PDF should be within the limit of that restriction. So please follow the restrictions habit. Otherwise you have to condense the image size and then make as a PDF. There are quite a number of good softwares that can make the image compression for 10 pages and 15 pages into 1 or 2 MB also. Okay, so please refer to those softwares and download those softwares and use that for image capturing, converting them to a PDF, and then you upload that answer sheet. Okay, this is the place where you have to upload. We have already clicked that yellow area box, and we are in the process of uploading the answer sheet. So it is getting upload for 1, that is question number 1. Seeing the question, first starting of the question is being provided here. So if there are many uploads, we may get confused for which question we are going uploading, right? So we are just ensuring that the upload is for the right question. So that's why we give a hint whether this upload is for this particular question. So say since we have only one question with one upload, this is for the marks, 50 marks. Yeah, one question for containing 50 marks. So I just say okay. So you are finished and ready to submit. So this question file has been uploaded. Shall we continue? We have already done that homework. We have finished our exam. So we will go ahead and submit the thing. So answer 100%. This MCQ result we have answered it correctly. So we have got 100% score in the professional MCQ results. Yet the STA is not yet over. Okay, the story type is not yet over. That is a semi-automated submission review is not yet over. You have to interact with the maker, or interact will, after he reviews that, he will send you the result in the dashboard, which you can see by clicking on the analytics section in your place. So you can click here. And there are 2 tests you have already taken. In the case of science mock that you have taken already, there might be some review already done. See, you can see the review marks that the reviewer has put here, and there is also a review mark put here. It's 3 marks they have put. Okay, earlier it was 0, so that's why it is saying 0 out of 10. But since you have written something, it has put 3 marks. And in this case, earlier it was 1 out of 2 because one answer was right. Now we have added 1 more marks there. So in this case, 5 out of 5 because all the 5 marks. This is the 5 mark answer. This is the 5 is the score. The first box is for the question count marks for that question, and the second count indicate the what you got. That is, if it is blue, you have got successfully. If it is red, you have not got anything. Okay, so that's the case. Okay, similarly, if you click on the second question, you can see here that the MCQ result is correct, because it's, you see here the green color is indicated in the, and the mark is also given automatically. 1 mark is 1 out of 1. You have scored 1 out of 1. And so MCQ is reviewed, but on the other hand, the 50 or 0 you have not scored it because it has not been reviewed. You have submitted something, and this is going to be your submission. What you have submitted is what is being seen here. You can again download and check. It's 50 marks is the exam the question mark for this particular question. The question is about 50 marks. So once the review score comes, when the maker downloads your PDF, he will see what you have written, and he will then come here and give a review. You can see the review marks over this place as you had seen in the earlier place. So as of now you have scored 1 mark, but this is only a provisional. Once the review is done, you'll come to know the of your marks. Okay, so you can that's it. We can just go ahead, and you can, if you want, you can increase your planning score to say 70, because you have done something with your so it has improved from red to blue. Okay, or even 100% you can check. You can just check check to 100%. So I did and say you're done with the preparation. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. This is very important video, because lot of cases during the pandemic, this is how the school across the world were doing. They used to send a PDF through email or WhatsApp, and then the people would download, and the takers would write in the text notepad, and they will capture in a PDF, send in an email. See, there are a lot of sources. One comes from WhatsApp, the other goes by email, then the answer sheet comes by another format, and so on. Now, the advantage with this tool is you all have things at one place. You don't have to run with one tool, another tool, WhatsApp, Gmail, all those things. Everything is in one place. Okay, that's a very good advantage what we have with us. Okay, I hope it was useful to you. Thanks for watching. Please do share, subscribe, and like this video. Do visit guruttam.com/guruvidya. Thank you. Have a good day.